Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Hashcard to boost your earning speed, or let me put this way, you can use it to increase your BTC mining, like this stuff right here. How you can use it to increase your BTC mining. So let's go. First of all, you go to your dashboard. When you log in, then you see right here, look at this one, you see mining, you see mining factory, then you see charts, you see Hashcard, then you see gift card. Now if you want to increase your BTC mining speed or the volume, so just come here down straight to Hashcard. Alright, as you can see, these are some of my Hashcard that I have initiated. So if you want to use it to your advantage to increase your earning rate, all you have to do is to come right here. You can see here, initiate. You click on initiate. You can see 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, 5 people. So now let's assume you want to share with 2 people. You just have to click on 2 people, then you do what? You click on initiate. So when you initiate it, you can see it says please select the number of people to exchange with. Alright, I'm clicking on 2 people. You can see 2 people, then you click on initiate. You can see it said Hashcard exchange initiated successfully. Then you click on close. Yes. A code will be generated for you. Yes, this is it. You can see 2 people. Now what you have to do is to copy the code. Click on copy. Click on copy. Then you look for the name. So in case you are sending out to like your fellow miners, all you have to do is you look at the name right here. It's a B2 card. So all you have to do, you copy it, then you share it with anyone you want to share it with. So when you share it with the person too can also share their stuff with you. I mean their code. They are going to give you their name. That is the Hashcard code. Then when you collect it from there, all you have to do is to click on join. You can see. So now you paste that code that you collected from maybe your partner or one of the miners that you're in the same group. Then you just click the code here. Actually, this is your own personal code which you have to give out to other miners. But I'm just showing an example how you can do it. If someone gave you a code, all you have to do is to paste the code right here. Then you click on confirm right there. So when you click on confirm, then you have to look at this, my hash. It will increase. My hash will increase in volume, and it will help to boost your mining percentage or mining speed. Likewise this. So another thing is you can also share your code on chats. Yes, you can see the one I've shared. See the person shared with me. So we can both share our code. All you have to do is to type in here B2 card. Then you drop your code right there. Then you share with the person. So the person can take it, copy it, then go and come here and click on join like I showed you. Just click on join and you paste the code. So that will help you to earn faster and increase your hash. I hope my video have explained some things to you. Please kindly subscribe, because I am going to be dropping some videos on gift cards, your mining factory, how you can increase your earning very fast, and how you can receive your Bitcoin every day. So thank you. I really appreciate. Please subscribe once again, like my videos, share with your friends. Bye.